I mean, I can tell you for free mfethu ukuthi ukuba ignorant kuyi-choice ke kulesi sikhathi samanje yabo. It's just your choice nje because information is out there yabo. And unfortunately information is what you are, and it's what's gonna make you prosper, and it's what you are going to use eternally. Information, because all the things you see, this physical universe, the universe is comprised of information yabo. So uma ngabe kuwukuthi wena ignorant, i-choice yakho leyo, and umele wazi ukuthi ezinye izinto they just become obsolete. Wena musabambelele kuzona, it's just a matter of time ukuthi zicollapse nje phambi kwakho yabo. Ngikusholani ke lokhu, ngikushola ukuthi ngiyazwa nje abanye sebethi we are in the age of Aquarius. Asikakabikho ku-age of Aquarius, but we are by the end of the age of Pisces yabo. Because uma ukuthi lento ikhuluma based on the precision of the equinox, then you are not yet there, because you know the precision of the equinox takes 2150 or 66 years, you see. So now we are in 2026. You see which we still have some long walk to go, or long way to go. So yeah, izinto ke obuzazi, they will collapse, and they are collapsing right now, step by step. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho sikungenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, yabona. Yabona, when I was talking about the age, these global cycles, that takes 411 years. Le enye yenza ngo-1616 ngokuyi cross of planning. That was like kind of industrial age yabo. So cross of planning, now we're formulating things, medicine, what you call this, engineering, all these things that we built through the age of planning, but through the cross of planning, I mean. But 2027, I used to tell you, according to the prophecy of Ra Uruhu, the founder of the human design system, 2027 is the beginning of the new cycle. So accept the shift from 2027 going forward. Expect the shift rather. So okunye ke futhi angithi yabo ukuthi wena umuntu osabheka ukuthi kumele ukuthi kube khona umuntu okutshela izinto ezithile. Kumele kube khona umuntu okuphathela izinto. Kumele uphathelwe ipension yakho. Kumele utshele ukuthi esontweni yiba njani. Kumele kube yabona into yokutshelwa nje nokushayela umthetho. Nokuba rigid, ungayicabangeli wena, ungabi nayo autonomy. Lezo zinto lezo yabo zizophela. Uma ngabe ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthi iphele by choice leyo nto, ukuthi wena uyithathele izinqumo zakho ngaphandle kokulokhu utshelwa la ushunyayezwa. Uma ungafuna ukuthi ukuqede wena lokho, kuzokwenzeka by force ke, ngoba lento ifana nokuthi wena umzali wakho kade kugcinile so much, ekuthathela izinqumo, ekugada, but wena ufuna ukukhula. Into yenzeka lapho ukukhula ngenkani ngoba kumele akudedele, and mekudedela kuzokuba mnandi, yabo. So yona into ezokwenzeka ke leyo manga ukuthi wena usalindele ukuthi uzotshelwa ama external authorities, yabo. Uyaphathelwa nje zonke izinto, uyatshelwa nje yonke into, uyatshelwa ukuthi yenzani nini, uyatshelwa yonke into nje, awukho autonomous wena. Ayike le age esiyakuyo ke noma le cross esiyakuyo ke iyakuphikisa ke konke lokho, uzoyibona izinto zicollapse. Yabo lo mfundisi wakho uMthembile uzozwa ikandala ngayo, yabo lela ama authorities enowathembile vele ikandala senizwile ngabo, kodwa nisazozwa okuningi nje, kuzocollapse nje kube kuningi. Angithi ababo ukuthi benzani lapha kuleli yazwe leli lase Iran, angithi ababo ukuthi benzani boycott manje, ngithi ya lento external authority nokushayela imithetho iphelelwa isikhathi, yabo. So uma uthi wena ufuni ukuthi lonto yenzeke by choice kuwena, izokwenzeka by force. Uyabona nje ngelinye ilanga yokuthi uzofuna impesheni yakho, usiyohlala phansi kuthiwa asinayo imali yakho. Hayi, asinayo imali yakho because wena you didn't want to take your own initiative to handle your own finances, your own financial affairs. Angithi when you were working, wena your whole security wena you outsourced to a company or to a state, ne? You didn't invest. Do things on your own. Kufunde lokho manje ukusenzela izinto nokulalela wena ilokungana yakho. intuition yakho ne-internal authority yakho kufunde lokho manje ukuzenzela izinto. Because if you don't want to learn through revelation, you learn through experience, yabo, and it's not going to be nice, and you don't have so much time to do all these mistakes yourself, yabo. Learn from other people's mistakes, and yeah, kuyiloko kuyikona nje. But yeah, we are by the end. 2027 next year lo. Shouthi unyaka wokugcina lo, it's a bridge year that is taking us to 2027 going forward, yabo. So expect izinto ezira uruhu, expect uhlobo lwabantu abasha, expect nje it's a beginning of a new cycle. Hey, we've been there for quite some time now. 411 years it's not a it's such a long time. So now things need to shift a little bit. Our consciousness, our way of experiencing life, the neutrinos are bombarding us, the system update is happening. Angazi ukuthi lo hlele ngayithola system update yena kwenze njani again. Isuka mumva ke likholwa izagila ke. Yabo isuka mumva likholwa izagila. Nina nje sinibonile lento ngiyanibongela. Kuningi ke kuyeza ke. They will try to protect their things, they will try to protect their old information, they will try to keep things, but the age of Aquarius ke kuyazi ukuthi idume ngento zayo zokufuna iqiniso, yabo. Age of Aquarius ayidume ngento zayo zokufuna iqiniso, asifuna amanga, sifuna iqiniso. Sistabone njengaleyo ndlela. Asikhohliseki. Aqua means clear, we want clarity. No hidden agendas, no cards that are going to be played under the table. So yeah, we are digging deep. People are asking relevant questions. So if you are asking relevant questions, you are going to get a very relevant answers. But if you are asking wrong questions, surely you are going to get wrong answers as well. So nokubuza kuyiskill, because ukuthi ubuzana kusho ukuthi uzotholana, yabo. So that is why you should ask relevant questions every time. I hear people asking, and you need to be ready, because cosmos this universe will update everything, and when you need to be ready, because uzoyithola lokugula, uzithola kungazuthi kune chaos, kanti i-update awukho strong and fit enough for the update. Ingakho ke nje let us try to align ourselves. Tomorrow ngumhla 22 siyaqala ngo 7 p.m. Guys, don't be late, ne? As we are going to start balancing chakras and doing the pranayama. Don't be late. Doing on Saturday, on Thursdays, and as well as on Mondays, ne? Every week. But you can do it aside. Mangabe singekho la ku live waka YouTube. So ngo 7 indaba ngithi ngo 7 emphasize lokho ukuthi ufika ngo 7 ukuze phela ngizokunikeza that ukuze uzosifika usifice siqala ichakra yokuqala, ngoba it's not advisable ukuthi uqala ama chakras at the center unyuke nawo. It's not advisable, yabo. Kunezinto engadingeka ukuthi uzenze ngoba sometimes they can mess up your energetic configurations. Njo wenza izinto nje uthi uyayibridge uyishiya endleleni wenza ezinye izinto, khona ezinye izinto ezophazamisa energetic elekungana yakho, configurations yakho. And as a matter of fact ke usuyithola usuyithola usukulento bakade uthi ayigwema ye spiritual disalignment, uthola usukuyona ngobani ezinye izinto nozenza haphazard, azinayo system ezilandela. So ke we are trying ke ukuthi sikubeke ube in tune kusasa mhla 22 January 2026 7 p.m. Surely ke lonto le izobe available vele kuma members, yabo. Into ezobe available ukubona, and ngibonile ukuthi yeah bakhona, they are there, and there are people that were already there for some time without even expecting me to do anything for them. They were just there, yabo. So nalapha ku channel community, kuma membership community, guys, sinama packs amnandi kakhulu lapha that are very cool stuffs. Imbali emnandi kakhulu nama stickers amnandi kakhulu awenzelwe wena as a channel member. Kunezinto nje exclusive ongakwazi uyi-enjoy lapha kwi-community. So you guys are the community now. You are the community there. We are going to engage. Njengoba ngasho ngathi 2026 our YouTube channel needs to work, yabo, needs to work like i-television. Siyabonga.